almost all Chromperfect systems are licensed using a USB license key. Occasionally we cannot supply USB keys, and this is normally because of a company policy at a customer's site that does not allow access to the USB ports on the computer. In this situation we have an alternative called a fingerprint license. This is a virtual license that does not require any additional hardware. In this video we're going to have a look at the process of installing a Chromperfect system with a virtual fingerprint license. If you already have Chromperfect installed on your computer, you can skip the installation step and go on to the next section on generating a fingerprint code. If you do not have Chromperfect installed already, we would install the software in the usual way. We will start the setup.exe file from the original distribution media or download link. After accepting the licensing agreement, we will click through the various options, always accepting the default suggestions. Normally at the end of the process we will be asked for a license file. As we do not have a license yet, we will select "This is a demo." This will stop the setup program asking for a license at the end of the install. After the installation is complete, if we try to start the software we will receive a message saying we do not have a license to use Chromperfect, so we need to go through a process to receive this license. Now that Chromperfect has been successfully installed, we need to generate a fingerprint ID. Chromperfect staff will use this 5-digit code to generate the permanent license. To generate the fingerprint code, we need to run an application in the C:\Chromperfect directory which has recently been installed on our computer. Here we need to locate the program cpfinger.exe. You will see a very simple user interface with a large button. When the button is pressed, a 5-digit code will be displayed. It is this code that will need to be sent to your Chromperfect representative by phone or by email. In due course you will receive your license file by email. These files always take the form of cp32vx.ver, where X represents the current version number of Chromperfect. So in this example we have a license file cp32v8.ver, meaning this license is for Chromperfect version 8. You will need to save this file to your hard disk. Next, using Windows Explorer, open the directory C:\Chromperfect. Next, copy and paste the file into this directory. Next, restart your computer and Chromperfect is fully licensed.